Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel if you're first time here. Hey, welcome. If you're true to the channel, hey, I appreciate you. Hey, today finally went back up to Tennessee, picking up a few things. Finally decided to tell my dad to get this car cranked up. It's been about 3 years. Look at it. Oh my God. Paint job on this costs more than my Mustang. And it looks like that. But I'm gonna put some new valve springs in it. Left the rockers down on it for the last 3 years, so valve springs are probably shot. But this here's a 71 Duster. It's got a Power Glide Dana 60. Hey, there's Rob's Garage Dad. Here we got a 528 big block Mopar. Runs on alcohol. Used to have nitrous, but runs mid fives. But here, let's go ahead and crank it up. All right, here we go. Yes. Okay. Ooh. Yo, if you've never sat in a car that runs on alcohol with the doors off in a garage, Jesus. Yeah, he just ran outside. I don't know if you can see him. He wasn't sticking around for that. I'm crying. It's rough. To get out of a fucking funny car cage. It was a whole different story though. But, whoo. Sounds good. Runs good. We'll put some springs in it. Jesus, we're gonna put some springs in it and then we'll take it out. But yeah, I love this car. It's almost like mine's a 74. This is actually a 74, but it's got a 71 front clip and 71 taillights. But thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe. I appreciate you guys. There's the radiator. Check that guy out. And the trans cooler in the trunk. Pretty cool. It's got a, I don't know if you can see, it's got a Durrell fan down there. Hey, this thing's pretty cool. Plus on alcohol runs very cool anyway. I think these are, I think I said earlier, I think they're 33 16s. What the heck? Alright, here we go. So 33 15 16s. On the Weld Magnums. But hey, stay tuned and subscribe. Well, I don't live far from here now, a few hours, so it's easy to come up. Hopefully we can get some springs ordered. I could keep pressuring them, get some springs ordered and get her on out. And he's rocking that Mark Sullivan's E85 Carburetors t-shirt. I love it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.